sorry if I woke you. Oh, but you. Oh my god. I've been sneezing nonstop. I'm sorry. I feel like you. Look, my allergies are. You acting up again. Oh my god. Oh no. Just keep sleeping. I know you gotta. You wake up for work. You in the morning. Oh my god. I don't even. You. I don't even know what's making me. You sneeze this much. Oh my god, baby, I'm so sorry. Oh, what was that? I'm so sorry. Do you want me to sleep on the couch? On the couch? Do you want me to sleep on the couch? Oh, my eyes are watering. I'm so sorry, baby. I didn't mean to wake you up. Oh my god. I think it stopped. I think I'm gonna. Oh my god. I was just gonna say, I think I'm gonna. Oh my god. You're so strong today. Oh my god. What's going on? Completely sneezed on our pillow. I'm so sorry, honey. But oh my god. Make it stop, please. Can you maybe put your finger under my nose? Maybe this will make it. Maybe this will make it stop. Stop. Oh, thank you, baby. I still feel the tickle. I still feel the tickle. Oh my god. I gotta sneeze. Please let me sneeze. Please. Oh my god. I need to sneeze. I need to sneeze so bad. Badly. Oh my god, I think it stopped. Oh my god. That was so intense. I'm so sorry, baby. Let's just go to bed and enjoy our last hours of sleeping. Good night, honey.